ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಭಾಷಾ ಜನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ till K character words, joining and reading the words. So today's session L till Z. Okay, L L-I-O-N, lion. Simha, lion, simha. M character, mango, M-A-N, mango, mango. Mango means mavu, fruit, mavu. N, nest. For other videos you can check my playlist. N, nest, gudu. English alphabets joining and reading, like jointing and reading, like N-E-S-T, nest, gudu. O character, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Kittale, orange. P, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot, gili. Q, Q-U-E-E-N, queen, rani. R, rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, mola. S, S-H-I-P, ship, hadagu. T, television, दूरदर्शना, TV, दूरदर्शना. U, umbrella, U-M-M-B-R-A-L-L, umbrella. Kode, kode. V, van, W, watch, W-A-T-C-H, kai gadiyara. X, Xmas tree, Xmas tree. Y, yak, Y-A-K, yak. Z, zebra, zebra. L, lion, M, mango, N, nest, O, orange, P, parrot, Q, queen, R, rabbit, S, ship, T, television, U, umbrella, V, van, W, watch, X, Xmas tree, Y, yak, Z, zebra. For other videos you can check my playlist. Basic Kannada if you want LKG or UKG, Basic Kannada or other words you can want grade 2nd ICSE or CBSE Kannada. Okay. For more videos you can check my playlist and scroll down for spoken Kannada if you want. Thank you for watching. Subscribe please. Share it maximum. Comment please.